Dull skin, we don't know her. Hi everyone, it's Odaly from the Sephora squad. I know summer is coming to an end, but I have some of my favorite products that help me extend my summer glow through the fall, so keep on watching. Before we get started, a quick tip is adding these Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops to your moisturizer every day to really extend that summer glow. Now I'm gonna get started with the Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum, and I love this one because it's super hydrating and it gives me a beautiful glow before I put on my base. And I'm gonna make sure to really rub this into my skin so it penetrates and doesn't sit up top. Between summer and fall, my skin gets a little bit dry, so I love to use this serum to really extend my moisture. Next, I'm gonna be applying the Tower 28 Sunny Days Tinted Sunscreen Foundation, and I'm gonna be applying that with the Sephora Collection Pro 56 brush. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna start in the center of my face and work my way out. And I really love this foundation because it has sunscreen, and sunscreen is super important year-round, not just in the summer. I really love the glow of this product. It makes my skin look really healthy. Next, I'm going to be using the Say liquid blush in the color Spicy, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit more of that summer rosy glow. Dab a little bit on the tops of my cheeks. And I'm going to be using the same Sephora Pro 56 brush and blend that into the skin. And I'm going to be dabbing upwards on the tops of my cheeks to my temples. As you can see, it's blending out super pretty and really easy. And there you go, simple as that. To define my lips a little bit more, I'm going to be using the Refi Lip Liner, Setter, and Gloss collection in the color Fawn. So this lip liner is really cool because it comes with its own setter, and the color is a really beautiful mauve that's perfect for the fall. And I'm just naturally lining the outer perimeter of my lips. And now I'm going to use the built-in setter that it has to set the lip liner, and it will last all day long. Lastly, I'm going to top it off with the clear gloss that comes in the same set. It makes it feel more summery. And now we have some juicy lips. And much like the summer, I don't want this makeup look to go anywhere, so I'm going to finish this off with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. These are some amazing picks to keep your summer glow in the fall. Let me know if you loved any of these in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!